this one from Teckwrap. Teckwrap. Yay. Oh, shall we can put this one together then? I can't see the front, it's alright. So, if you want to see all my crafts, follow me on TikTok, Instagram.
He has the first one.
What I think we should do, Shan, is put the heat. This is heat. You know what we've got to do? We've got to wipe it. Wipe it, all that dust, and just put a quick spray.
Guys, just wait 1 sec. We forgot to wipe it.
Because?
We don't want it to be dirty and make our vinyl very germy and dirty. Yeah, we don't want that. Clean the second one too.
I am. What am I going to put there? I see. Oh, maybe I can put my tumble press.
She always puts her things there.
I think that's be normal.
Why do I have to?
That's be normal, girl.
We have the first one, and it's UV glitter blue. So it's a heat transfer, and it's made in China.
So which one's that heat transfer? So let's put heat transfer. Oh, sorry guys. I'm just recording for my
So we also have this one, which is UV glitter pink.
So we actually have to make some t-shirts, you know. So this
See?
one is.
Hey, I read it out. I like to read it.
Yeah.
So guys, we have this one, and it's UV glitter grey. Just put it in.
So these are all heat transfer.
That is true. We have this one too, which is UV glitter chain. What does that say? I forgot.
UV glitter champagne.
UV glitter champagne gold. So that will be very handy.
I'm happy we put this together, Shan. I'm tired.
We finally have the last one in this box, and it is UV glitter purple.
So that's all the.
Wait, guys, we also have a little bit more right over here. Oh, we have that pen too. Then we can hook it up there.
Oh yeah.
So we have all of these ones too.
Okay, let's fill this. So these ones, I don't think they're UV. I don't think they're we'll put them on this side. Normal vinyl, we'll put it on the other side.
So I put it on this side.
Yeah.
So we have this one. It's so cute.
You're gonna read your name.
And it is shimmer color change white.
I don't think that's
Here, put it right here, Mum.
Ooh.
I'm sorry about that. She likes some music. We have the second one, and this one is. Mum, what does that say? Don't read the end.
Hyacinth.
Hyacinth blue.
Put it down here. This one.
Here.
Yeah. No, down.
Here.
Yeah.
Here. We won't have enough. Okay.
Yeah, put that one down.
If you see close, you can see there's spots.
What's that one? Let me see.
This is polka dot black.
Is it heat transfer? Is it normal? I didn't even know I had this. I think it's adhesive vinyl. Okay, nice.
You can look after. Next up, we have this cute glittery one. And also sometimes you might use these for cups, like this picture. And this one is Rust Glitter.
Champagne. I know the word doesn't
Rust Glitter Champagne Gold. It's kind of like that other one I showed you, but it's a bit different. Next we have this beautiful lime green. And this one is called Satin Metallic Grass Green.
That one looks nice, you know. I actually need to use that one.
Yes, guys. I was thinking maybe that was like lime green.
We'll carry on this way. So you know, all of this is adhesive vinyl, and that's the transfer vinyl.
Maybe we should just make labels. And we have this beautiful silver one, but when you look at different angles, you can see it a bit rainbowy.
Do you know what that's called? Holographic.
It says that right.
Does it say it on it?
Yeah, it says bubble-free holographic silver.
Oh, it's nice.
But for me, this really does not look holographic silver. Actually, it does.
I'm happy how we fixed it.
But guys, don't you agree? This one looks like this one.
I think they're the same, you know.
Yeah, they might be the
They are the
same.
same. Yeah.
Now we have this beautiful shimmer dark pink, purple and blue. I'll show it to you. It's super beautiful. And did you know, guys, my favorite color is blue.
Today I got her a pink dress, like a t-shirt dress, and I told her to wear it. She did not want to wear it. She said, "Mommy, but it's pink. But it's pink. I don't want to wear it." Her face was all push up. So I said, "Okay, let me find you something blue."
Because you know I hate pink. This one, it's Delajol. Deajonia.
Let me see.
Don't read the other part, just read that.
Diagonal.
Diagonal rainbow purple metallic.
That sounds good.
Is that metallic?
Yeah, it's metallic. Go girl.
I love metallics. They're practically my favorite type of vinyl, just to tell you. And last of all,
I've got another pack there. Let me go get it while you finish.
we have this one, but my mum just quickly went to get another packet. But this one's kind of like glittery silver. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it has like little... So guys, we still have a few more, and behind us has a few more.
Oh!
So we have this one, which is bubble-free, holographic...
Let me see.
He just said it.
Oh, burgundy.
Burgundy. And this
Is
one.
that one adhesive? Yeah, adhesive vinyl. That's like the one.
Next one, please, Mum.
I don't know. I need to make them all the same level at the front.
Yeah, she's the leveler. So we have this one next. It says...
These are heat transfer.
This is from Caesar. Sorry, I'm just very bad at my names.
No, but even I used to say Caesar. Then I think they corrected me. They were not commented on my post. They were like, "Oh, it's Caesar, like the salad."
So like this one is very pretty. It's so sparkly. And this is called... Let me just find the barcode. Mum, does this one have a barcode to say what it...
Let me see.
It said brown. Is it brown?
Yeah, brown.
Oh, and this one is a glittery type of brown. You see it says glitter right there. And it says brown. Sorry, like I just waited there for a moment because it didn't have one of them like those.
I think it.
Mum, level it up, please.
How am I supposed to colour? Yeah.
Mum, how am I supposed to
those ones, because I use them, so it's alright.
So this one is like a glittery orangish yellow. And this one goes here. The reason why it's sellotape though is that we already used it. Actually, my mum already used it.
This summer we're gonna make some t-shirts for you.
Which is a purple glitter.
I like that purple.
When you look a bit closer into it, it has pink sparkles in it. It's true, Mum.
Shan,
And
I'm ready to craft. I'm so hot. I'm so hot. It's so hot.
Sadly, we can't put the fan on.
We can. It just might be hard for the video.
Sorry, guys.
Why did you pop the ends?
I like to. So we have this one, which is a glittery black. It's very nice. When you look close, you can see like it looks kind of
I
like
actually like that on a black t-shirt.
It looks kind of like emeralds and stuff, like a black emeralds. I've seen rocks like that before. Mum, next one, please.
Wait, I think this is adhesive.
Adhesive. Is this adhesive?
Yeah.
Wait.
What's wrong? Oh, that was a heat transfer vinyl.
This.
Oh, you're gonna put it at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. We need to do just a little bit rearranging since I missed a spot, but that's very bad because when I miss spots, that means it can't really fit in that much. So we just need to put this one up, and then boom, we're done. But we need these more.
That's so nice.
So we have this one. We're back. We're not back to the swipe. We're back to reading. But isn't that so nice?
You're just making mess.
So this one is bubble free mirror team
Chrome.
Chrome.
I think it's chrome. Let me see. Mirror. Oh, yes, chrome.
Chrome. Camouflage.
Yes, go girl.
Olive.
No, adhesive.
This is adhesive.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry about that.
No problem. That's looking good.
Next one.
That's it for now.
No, look on the chairs.
Oh.
Sorry, Mama.
I can't even get up to get it. You know.
Sorry, she's just a bit lazy today.
Let's get both of them.
No, I'm doing one at a time.
Oh,
So now we have this beautiful purple one. Yep, that's right. Purple, purple, purple. And this is called Bubble Free Mirror Chrome. I was close though. Purple Magic.
Adhesive. Did you show them the colour?
I did.
Oh.
At the first, I was like, we got this beautiful purple. Next, we have this beautiful one. This is the last of all of them.
What one's that? Adhesive.
Yeah, I think so. So it'll go up there.
You
don't have that much space left, so we have to do what we need to do. Split them up. So this one you can see is a little bit glittery. And Mum, can you please say what shop you buy this at?
It's from Teckwrap. I didn't buy it. It was a promo gift.
So this girl's saying it's a promo gift.
This girl. Your mother.
Very, very funny. So we have this. It's beautiful. Like in the sunlight. Let me just remove my shadow.
Look at all of this. No, it's not down. You have to pull it up a bit. The camera's not down.
Da da da. It's so beautiful and nice. And it's called Bubble Free Mirror Chrome. You read the rest out. I'm being nice.
Military brown. Pam pam. Beautiful.
You always say pam pam.
Do I?
Yeah. And you said our special word would be to bam.
Oh, to bam. Okay.
So, Mum, make sure they're all leveled up.
Oh, is that my job?
Yep.
Level. This one's 2 in level. That's all right. I think that's good.
Okay, they're all leveled.
Good.
And this thing is beautiful.
I'm going to make dinner now before we do the rest of this. I have to put my Caesar. I hope it can, it can go on.
And guys, since Mum says she has a beautiful Caesar, Juliet, which is her name,
Mm-hmm.
she said she's going to put it up here. And she said she's going to hang some things here. Mom, what did you say again you're going to hang there?
Probably the cricket mats. The mats.
What do you mean, mat?
The mats.
What's a mat?
The mats. You know
Wait, should I get some of the tools to put up?
No, not yet. I think I might leave this in the front room, you know. I don't think I'll take it.
Guys, I'm going to quickly go and get some tools to hang up. Our tools have holes in them. So guys, we have this one first. It's a weeding tool, and weeding is my favourite thing to do. Isn't that right, Mum?
Mm-hmm. We'll do
So
some crafting.
I'm just going to put it right there. And we got some of these tweezers. We got lots more. We got lots of useful things. But we're just going to hang up these. And Mum, don't you pause the video. Guys, I'll be right back.
What are you getting now?
But while you're gone, Mum might want to ask you some questions. So go ahead. She's so funny. So we got some more in here. Check it up. And Mum, I have one question. Why did this say sharp warning?
Because inside is a knife blade.
How could you not tell me that you have a knife blade? Is it because you wanted to keep me safe?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't tell me anything. Wow.
Yeah, but you know not to touch them stuff anyway.
Yeah, so why don't tell me? Actually, guys, we're going to have a test if it can hold like 2 things. The answer is yes. So, Mum,
Yeah.
carry on asking questions. I'll be right back again. This mum of mine has so many weeding tools. So, yes, we might just make use of it. So this one.
I think it's better to put one on each. Because
Right.
like when you want to take it off, at least you just take it off. You don't have to be, do you know what I mean?
Nope, I don't
It
like
sticks
that.
out, look. It's not good to stick out because that might poke somebody.
Don't stick out on there. Don't stick out on there. Just put it on don't stick out ones.
Okay.
So guys, just got one more. This one is pretty bad and cheeky, so we're not going to put it there. We're going to put it on the cheeky side. Just kidding, just made that up. Mum, do it again. Do you mind if I use the cricket one?
Which one's that?
It had a hoop in it. The cricket one.
Okay.
And guys,
Perfect.
we're all done. Just need the scissor and
We'll put it up.
the scissor, Juliet. What are we going to put on this shelf, Mama?
I'm thinking maybe my tumbler press. I might put my tumbler
No,
press
don't
there.
you
My
dare
mini
do that.
press.
Nope.
Why?
We should put some important stuff in there.
No, the tumbler press because it has to be craft stuff. I think the tumbler press will go well there.
Okay, I guess we're going to put the tumbler press here. So, guys. Mum. So, guys, this video is over now. Because I have no more stuff to hang up.
Thank you, Shani. Look at you sorted that all out for me.
So, see you later, guys. Bye.